Welcome everyone. So today we're going to discuss about thermodynamics and the systems in thermodynamics. So thermodynamics, what is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is the branch of physical science that deals with energy, heat, work and their interconversion. So thermodynamics deals the macroscopic behavior of the system. So thermodynamics is the branch of physics where we talks about the energy, heat, work and their interconversion. Now in thermodynamics we didn't care about the individual molecule or particles of the system. Here it talks about the bulk properties of the system. And that's why we are saying that thermodynamics deals the macroscopic behavior of the system. And the word thermo came from the word heat and dynamics came from the word motion. That's why in thermodynamics we talks about the transfer of heat and the interconversion between heat and energy. So now the thermodynamic system. So the thermodynamic system is a specified quantity of matter or a region in space chosen for analysis. So it is a specified region in space that is the system, and everything outside this system is called surrounding. So everything outside the system is called the surrounding, and the system plus surrounding is known as the universe. So here universe means our thermodynamic system and its surroundings. So together we call them as universe. So universe equals to system plus surroundings. So based on the interaction between the system and its surroundings, we classify thermodynamic system in different categories. So the closed system. In closed systems, mass is fixed but energy can cross the boundary. So in case of closed system, mass is fixed but energy can transfer between the system and the surrounding. And in case of isolated system, an isolated system does not allow transfer of mass or energy. So in case of isolated system, mass and energy cannot cross across the boundary. That means there is no exchange of mass and energy between the system and its surroundings. And in case of open system, in open system both mass and energy can cross the boundary. So in case of open system, mass and energy both can be transferred between the system and its surroundings. So today we have discussed about thermodynamics, the introduction of thermodynamics and different thermodynamic systems. And on our next class, we're going to discuss about the properties of these systems and different thermodynamic processes. Thank you everyone.